Hello everyone, welcome. My name is Sarah. Today's healing energy transmission is for the muscular system. Acknowledge that all healing comes from the divine and that this is not a replacement for Western medicine. So if you're working with any kind of ailment or disease with the muscular system, or you're just simply wanting to offer this aspect of yourself, your physical body, support, then work with this healing energy for the muscular system. Go ahead and take 3 deep breaths in through the nose and out through the mouth. So if you think about the muscular system, it's the soft tissue surrounding the bones, surrounding the nerves that contract and expand in a way that allows you to move. So symbolically and spiritually, the muscular system is what allows you to navigate your life, allows you to pivot or move in whatever direction you need. It allows you to run, dance, skip, stretch. Most of us aren't aware of our muscular system unless we push it too hard and we're stiff and sore the next day, or we hurt something and suddenly we don't have the range of motion or the function or the ability that we once had. Until then, we just go about our days without being aware of this beautiful aspect of our physical body. So I'm feeling this very beautiful, cool, blue energy to call in today for the muscular system. And if you think about it, the muscles are the meat. This is the meat of our existence, the core of the substance of our lives. So becoming aware of your anatomy is a beautiful thing because it allows you to support it even further. If there is a torque or a twist or a contraction, and after many, many years of body work, coming to understand that repetitive patterns, repetitive motions, they form and shape a muscle, just like you would build muscle in a gym. But that it's really important to allow that muscle to disengage after you've used it. So for today's healing, we're just going to bring through an energy that allows the muscular system to deeply relax and disengage just for this moment, to soften. So bring your attention to an aspect or a part of your body that feels like it's holding and gripping. Maybe there's a tight knot from years of patterning there, or perhaps from the way you've been sitting or working, or any repetitive motion that you've been doing that has the muscles holding in a certain way. And we're just going to bring this healing energy to focus on that permanent contraction, that permanent engagement. Take a deep breath and allowing it to soften. Allowing the muscle just to disengage and let go of the holding. I find that the muscles hold the stress and the tension of the day, and if we don't have a practice that allows them to release, that we go to sleep holding that tension through the night as well, and then we wake up and do it all over again. So there's a real lack of awareness specifically in Western cultures that don't allow us to disengage and relax at the end of the day. So bring this healing energy in right now. Take a deep breath, allowing your whole muscular system just to disengage, let it go, soften and release, relaxing. Just let all energy of the day, anything that you've been holding, melt out of your muscles and into the floor or the pillow or the bed beneath you, the chair. However you find yourself, just let all the stress melting like hot butter melting out of your muscles into the earth below you, giving the stress, giving the tension back to the earth where it will be recycled, acknowledging your muscular system with such gratitude that you're able to function and move. And even if you're restricted in some way, gratitude for what movement you do have. Any movement is a bonus. Any movement is freedom. Just gratitude that this body is serving you through the muscular system. And now, with this pulsing, beautiful infusion of healing energy, feel the nourishment of the blood and the oxygen reaching all of your tissues and cells, infusing your muscles with vitality, the life force, and invigoration while you're in a relaxed state. An infusion of the life force into your muscular system and directed with your conscious intention into any areas of stiffness, tightness, contraction, compaction. Take another deep breath right into a specific area. Just unwinding anything that you're holding, just allowing that energy to dissipate and dissolve. And now a beautiful sweeping energy over the whole body from top to toe, clearing out any energy that no longer serves, any lactic acid in your muscles, any grittiness as you've been hanging on for dear life through whatever you're dealing with in your experience. Just letting that all melt away right here, right now. And another deep breath. Such love, such gratitude for the muscular system. The interconnectedness as one muscle ends into the fascia and the connective tissue, connecting into the bones, and then another muscle starts. Such an intricate, delicate, miraculous design, this body that you inhabit. Such gratitude for these muscles that allow you to move and navigate your life. And now your whole energy field outside of your body just radiating with this beautiful, cool, blue, soft, relaxing energy. All of your muscles nourished with the life force, nourished with oxygenated blood, softened from the relaxation and resetting, so that when you're ready to get up and go, they'll fire up again and they'll engage and activate and take your body where it needs to go. Thank you, muscles.